it's your girl Ariana Cilicia. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, what's up? I'm so glad that you are joining me today. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell as well, because by the end of this video you're gonna already want to be a part of the crew right on over here. Yes, today I am doing something totally different than those of you that are normally here know that I do. This is no beauty, no waxing videos, nothing like that. This is more of a lifestyle. I am getting into an unboxing of a product that I've been wanting to try for a very long time, because I have been getting real serious with my fitness journey, and these right here is something that I've been wanting to just try out and share with other women who are wanting to get more into like weightlifting or anything that's helping them grow with their fitness journey / health journey. So yeah, these are the Bands Barbells. So with these barbells, I am going to be doing some unboxing, putting them together to show you guys and myself for the first time how they all are going to work, as well as giving my final like product review and brand review, because this is a small owned business and it's women owned. So I love that about this. Women owned brands, we definitely have to support them more. And basically the main aspect that I love about these barbells before we get into the unboxing is that they are literally made for women of all shapes and sizes. But I am not a weightlifter. I'm like, this is me being a beginner. So I didn't want to start off like with anything at the gym being too heavy. First of all, I don't like going to the gym because I'm literally one of those women who do not like working out in front of men. I just think that, I don't know, I like working out and doing my own thing. But anyways, so yeah, these are made pretty much just for women. Men can use them too, but the size, once you see them, it's more made for, you know, like to fit our body type. So these were gifted to me by my wonderful boyfriend, because I had been eyeing them for a minute, and the price was just a little bit too, like, it was a little bit too high for me, like, just to be spending on some weights. I don't know anything about weights or how much they usually cost, but for these, I thought that they was up there. But I will say thank you to him for getting these for me, and that for the most part the price is definitely worth it. The shipping cost, I don't remember, but I think that he said it was around like maybe $30 or $40. Now before we get into the unboxing, I'm going to get into some brutally honest things. So as I mentioned earlier, that this is a small women-owned business, so I was, you know, knowing that just from looking at other reviews of other women that have purchased this, that they had said it had taken quite a while, and that's fine, because, you know, you got to be patient with small businesses, especially when, you know, you don't know like how big their company is with the workers and how fast the shipping is. And with these products, I mean, I knew by them being colors and special customized that it was going to take quite a while. It did take, like, just to get the tracking info to even update from saying that the order was received, it did take about 3 to 4 weeks. Being brutally honest, it took that long. So I was messaging them back and forth, and then I had also seen that other women had been messaging them as well, and so they had got back to us pretty prompt and had given us like a discount code for the app that they have, and soon after that the tracking code was updated. But the tracking info was updated, and it still hadn't shipped or updated anymore after that for another maybe 2 to 3 weeks. and that was after me messaging them again. So all in total, from ordering it to the moment that it shipped, it took about 3 to 4 weeks, and then from the moment that they finally shipped it, it probably took another 3 weeks. And all of these boxes, 1, 2, and 3, and this did all get shipped in 4 different packages. So these all were ordered at once. This was ordered separately, and these were shipped pretty fast just because they were ordered separately, and it was nothing like a wait or anything. So yeah, when it comes to that, I will say if you are looking to get these, you are going to have to be very patient, and in the meantime improvise with other workouts to, you know, help you get your strength training. Okay, so I'm going to link everything that I have in these boxes. I'm going to link that in the description box, and I'm also going to link the picture of which set it is up here, because they do have a couple of sets when it comes to the barbells, and I had to even go get my phone to see which one that I got. So I have the Barbell Basic, and then I got the 30 extra pounds of weight added, as well as these weight covers, and I have a shoulder pad as well. And that's another thing, yes, booty bands, if you are watching this, I still have not received my shoulder pad. So yeah, in the meantime, I might just order another one because I'm so ready to use these, or I'll just wait on them to email me back. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Okay, so I will say that the packaging was definitely amazing, definitely protective. Some of it is definitely missing because I went ahead and opened them just to make sure that I was receiving all of my products, hence the shoulder pad's not here. But yeah, so it does come with very protective, you know, like coverings to make sure that your weights aren't, you know, being scratched up during transit. So I love that there was nothing that was messed up. Okay, there's this cute little booty bands and barbell sticker. There was a little info packet that I had, like just with like information. I think there was a coupon code on there that I had actually taken in my house, in my room, so I could use that. So that's not in there anymore. But yeah, anyway, so with the Barbell Basic, it comes with these purple ones. So the purple weights are, let me see, because these are 3 pounds. So these are pretty light. I will say these are great for a beginner. I would definitely say pretty light. These aren't a hassle for anyone. Literally would be able to use these for anything. These, it's crazy. You would think that they're not like heavy, but it's real. Hear that? Definitely would knock somebody out. I do not promote violence, but I'm just saying, be careful with these around people. So I'm gonna show how these covers go on after I actually show you guys all the weights. Okay, so it's the 3 pound purple ones. These teal ones are 5 pounds. These are still pretty light as well. Great for additional weights. The 3 pounders are definitely great, you know, like just to add on more weight to your barbells or your dumbbells. Like, are you guys loving the colors of these as much as me? Because as women, you know, weights in the gym and just seeing like regular weights, they're always so boring. Okay, so these pink ones are the 10 pounds. It goes with these. So this is a 10 pound. This is when it starts getting pretty heavy. I'm a lightweight, so yeah. The struggle is not real. Y'all gonna see me get it together real quick. But yeah, pink is my favorite color, so I'm loving these especially. It's 10 pounds. Very easy to use, and even if you didn't have these like on your actual barbell, it's great to hold like this. So like lift exercises like that, put it on your like hip thrust. You hear that? It's pretty heavy. Okay. And then these black. The black are the 15 pounds. And I'm gonna let y'all know right now that I am 5'1" and around like between 135 and 140 pounds, and I've actually lost 20 pounds. So this isn't like extremely heavy, but it's definitely like nothing that I'm gonna start off with. This is when like I become a big dog. When I become a big dog in the game and want to add some more weights. So yeah, these were additional weights that I had purchased outside of the Barbell Basic set. Okay, so I didn't mention earlier that the weights are interchangeable with the dumbbells that I do not have. You can go ahead and view them on the website. I do plan on purchasing those dumbbells to add to my little home gym situation. But yeah, so far I'm definitely loving these. So I don't know how these go on specifically, if it's a specific way. I'm just gonna pop them on. Hopefully I don't mess up my nails. And maybe these will keep us from messing up our pretty little manicures, you know? So I'm gonna pop all of these on these weights and then show you guys a close-up of them. I'm gonna fast forward and get back to you. So last but not least, the last package that I received was the actual barbell. This barbell is 4 feet and 4 pounds. I will show you guys how tall it is standing next to me because I am 5'1". So for the most part, I mean, it's a decent size. It's not long, I'm just short. So as I mentioned earlier, remember that I said that these are products for women, made by women. This is what I was talking about. See how perfect this fits in my hands? Like, it fits my hands perfectly. It's not like those barbells at the gym that are like super bulky and you can tell that they're like literally for men. Yeah, so I love this. It's only 4 pounds, very light itself. So this set also comes with these just basic little barbell clamps, and the max weight that the bar holds itself is 240 pounds. I don't know if my little petite self will ever be lifting that much, but that's great information to know for anybody that does plan on lifting that much. And as I mentioned earlier, if you do purchase them now after today's date, then all of the weights do come with the protectors. And yes, I am definitely hating on you. I mean, the price change may be a little bit different or seem to you that's a little bit higher, but what would be the difference than you if it was like how I did in having to buy the protectors separately? So yeah, let's go ahead and I will show you guys the weights on the barbell and show you them up close so you can get the details, and let's get right into that. Okay y'all, so this is the barbell with no weights on it. Get into the details. These are the 5-pound weights, which is great for adding additional weight to your barbell or your dumbbells. These are the 3 pounds. These are the 10 pounds, the pink, which are my fave. I'm not sure why these look a little bit different, or like something was rubbed on them. That's something that Booty Bands is gonna have to explain. But regardless, it actually makes kind of like a cute little detail. These are the clamps, and the black is also like nice too, very sleek. But you can see like the fingerprints, so I would definitely be wiping this down with a Lysol wipe, as I mentioned earlier. And a little problem that I'm having, not too much of a complaint because this yoga mat was very cheap from Ross, but one of the covers, or it was either the weights or the protective covers that's already like rubbed off some color onto my yoga mat. So it's not too big of a problem, but just a little teeny weeny. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put these bad boys on this barbell. So now that all the weights are on, y'all, this is what it's looking like, and it is very pretty. I'm loving it. Your boyfriends, your husbands are definitely going to be hating because they do not have weights and colors for men like this. They're definitely going to be wanting to use your weights, and your friends are going to be like, girl, where did you get those from? Period. Do y'all want to get into me lifting this? Okay, y'all, so now that I have put all of the weights on the bar, I just wanted to demonstrate myself lifting it to see about how heavy it is, if it's going to be easy for us to amp up the weight, or if it's going to take a while. But anyways, we're women, we can do anything. We are super women. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do this. Don't judge me on my form. I'm a beginner, but I can do this, period. Okay, so I will honestly say that that was not that bad for it being that I have all of the weights on there. Every time that I use this, depending on which workout that I'm doing, I definitely would not have all of these weights on there. I forgot at the top of my head how much all of these are together, but I'll definitely list it somewhere up here or in the description box. But yes, I definitely love this product so far. I can definitely see myself and my fitness journey just getting very, very far, especially with help with these. That is it, and that is all, you guys. That is the final unboxing and product review of these Booty Bands Barbell. I will say so far that I love this product and what it has to offer, and the message that it stands by. Just having products that are made for women, and women that are very positive about their fitness journey and health journeys. If you have made it this far, go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell as well if you would like for me to post more videos of my fitness journey, such as workouts that I do on the daily, workouts that you guys can do along with me, workouts that I use using these. Then go ahead and leave a comment below, and I would love to start filming those videos, as well as just talking to you guys, period, about what part you're in your fitness journey. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.